What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys missed the last video that was uploaded, we got a brand new build on the channel, another 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LBZ Duramax. We did get the truck into the garage here. So first things first, I'm gonna go through all of this stuff that's in the box, see if there's anything that's actually salvageable. I don't really think anything will be, except for maybe my come along that's in there. And then I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take off the bed here and the rear bumper, and then hopefully get next to the fuel tank and then start pumping it out, and then maybe putting some fresh fuel in there along with the new filters and everything to see if that's what's causing the truck to not start. You never know with these trucks when they come from an auction of what the story behind them is. So I figured let's just drain everything, new filters all around, and then we can go from there. All right, and just like that, the box is off the truck and everything looks really good. The frame is super clean for an Alberta truck. It does have some undercoating on it, but you can honestly just rub right through it. So definitely needs to be power washed, but everything looks really nice. As for the box, everything looks really good on here as well. There's no rust whatsoever. Like, I can't believe how good this thing is. So, yeah, I'll probably try and clean this guy up as well. Bumper and the tailgate are just over here, as well as all the wiring harnesses for everything. So I think the next steps are to roll this thing forward, out, pressure wash it, and then try and get it back in here, and then start going through all of this. We're probably going to take the sending unit out, and then I'll start draining the fuel as well, so we can get some fresh fuel in there, and then yeah, just take it step by step for now. Well, got the truck back in the garage now, and note to self, don't ever wash your truck in minus 20 degrees Celsius, because it was freezing, first off, and then all of the water was sticking and freezing to the frame, and then when I went to go pull it back into the garage, everything was frozen and locked up. So yeah, note to self, never do that again. But looking at it now, it is looking really good. I'm gonna just let everything thaw out right now because I don't want to break any fuel lines or anything when we take out that fuel lift pump. And then, yeah, can start pumping out the old fuel and then get some new fuel and a new filter in here right away. But it's starting to get late here, so I think that's gonna do it for today. Yeah, pretty excited on the progress that we made today, and looking forward to tomorrow when I can start digging into that fuel system and hopefully get this baby running. All right, guys, well, it is actually the next day now, and I was able to earlier run in and pick up a new fuel filter, water separator filter, as well as a jerry can of diesel. I know it's in a gas jerry can, don't judge me, it's the only thing I had on me. So now that I got that and I'm back at the house, we're gonna start going through the truck here. Gonna start with taking out the fuel pump and start draining it. I do have a siphoning hose somewhere over there, so I'm gonna set the camera up and then we can start getting into this. All right, guys, so fuel pump is back in the truck. Also, new fuel filter is in the truck. It's primed, everything is ready to go. The old fuel, when it did come out, it honestly looked fine. It was definitely dyed diesel, but everything looked okay. But just to be on the safe side, I did throw in some new diesel. Also threw in some of the clean diesel additive. So hopefully that'll help clear up the lines and maybe ungum some injectors. The only thing we're waiting on now is the battery was a little bit low, so stuck the charger on here, so we'll wait for that to do a quick little cycle here and then, yeah, see if it'll fire up. All right, cycle is over. And let's give it a shot. All right, moment of truth, let's go. Running! We got it! That is awesome! Man, that is such good news. I am so excited that we got this thing running. Just a huge relief. I'm really excited. I guess now that I know that it runs, moving forward, I'm going to take the wheels off, put the thing on jack stands, and then start checking out the whole front end, and then starting putting the list together of the things that I need to order in order to get it back on the road and pass the safety inspection. But I am really excited that we did get it started and that all of that time and effort wasn't put in for nothing. But I think that's gonna do it for this video anyways. Like I mentioned before, next video will be me taking all the wheels off, starting to go through the front end, rear end, brakes, you know, everything like that, and just trying to get everything together that it's gonna need in order to pass that safety and salvage inspection. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Drop a comment below, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.